Hi children, welcome back. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Shall we move on to today's section? Our next topic is the various techniques used by the creatures to catch their prey. Have you ever heard the word prey? Prey means an animal or insect that is hunted and killed by another for their food. In your textbook of page number 27, we can see the topic Techniques to Catch Prey. In our first session of this chapter, we studied about the different food habits of creatures, and today we are going to study about the different techniques used by the creatures to catch their prey. Have you ever seen calotus? Okay, this is the picture of calotus. Did you know how it catches its prey? Okay, teacher will show you how the calotus catches its prey. It has a long sticky tongue. Through this tongue, it catches its prey. The next creature given in your textbook is spider. Spider catches its prey by using a web. They have the ability to form web with their saliva, and the spider traps its prey with this web. Now you tell me the other creatures that are given in your textbook. Yes, woodpecker, duck and doodlebug. Did you know how woodpecker catches its prey? I will show you. Woodpeckers have very strong claws that help them to fix on the tree. Claws means curved and pointed nail, and they peck on the tree with their strong and sharp beak, and thus they open the bark of the tree and feed on the insects seen under the bark. Which is the next creature? Yes, duck. How they search their food? They search their food in water and in mud by using their flat beak, and they have webbed feet which helps them to swim easily in water and stand strongly in mud. The next creature given in your textbook is doodlebug. It is also called antlion. Have you seen antlion anywhere? Okay, this is the picture of antlion. It's a very small creature. They dig pits in dry soil. We have seen its pit in the garden, and they hide in the soil. The creatures that fall into the pit can never climb out of it. This is the peculiarity of its pit. Thus, doodlebug catches its prey. Is it clear to you? Have you seen the hen searching for food? Then tell me how they search their food. Yes, they are scratching the ground with its feet and pecking at food with its strong beak. Did you understood? Today we studied about the various techniques used by the creatures to catch their prey. At first, calotus. Calotus catches its prey by using its sticky tongue. Then spider catches its prey by using web. Woodpecker catches its prey by pecking on tree with strong beak. Then duck catches its food by using its flat beak. Then doodlebug catches its prey by making pits on the ground. Then hen searching its food by scratching the ground with its strong feet. Next, I am going to give you an activity. Find out the names of the given creatures. Teacher will read the question. You all try to say the answer. Name the creature that have sharp teeth and they tear mice using its sharp teeth. Question once more. The creature that have sharp teeth and they tear mice using its sharp teeth. Can you guess the answer? The answer is cat. Okay, next question. The creature that have very sharp nails and teeth, they help them to catch its prey. Question once more. The creature that have very sharp nails and teeth, they help them to catch its prey. Can you guess the answer? The answers are lion, tiger, leopard. Let us conclude today's topic. Today we studied about the various techniques used by the creatures to catch their prey. Okay dears, it's time for winding up today's section. Hope you understood today's topic well. Thank you.